Welcome, everyone. Thanks for joining us. Today, we're talking about managed services, so what that actually is, why organizations choose it, and how it plays out in real partnerships. Whether you're already working with us or maybe exploring what a partnership could look like, our hope is that you walk away with a clearer picture and honestly, maybe a little inspired about what's possible. For our time here today, we'll start with organizations that have turned to managed services, their decisions around that, why they might choose to partner with managed services. Then we'll get specific about managed services for Salesforce CRM, including a quick demo of a tool we built called Story Navigator. From there, we'll walk through a real client story with 122 Resource Center, and then we'll close out with managed services for AI and save some time for questions at the end as well. So we'll start off with some introductions. Hi, everyone. My name is Erica Manso, Senior Client Success Manager here at Idealist Consulting, and I'm based out of Portland, Oregon.
Hello, everybody. I'm Lindsay Chamberlain. I'm the Director of Service Delivery, and I'm based out of Marble Falls, Texas.
Hi, I'm Carrie Stanley, Director of Operations at 122 Resource Center in Teton County, Wyoming.
All right, and now a little bit more about Idealist Consulting if you're not familiar with us. Idealist Consulting has worked in the Salesforce for nonprofit space for over 20 years. And during that time, we've completed 2,000 projects across 99 countries, helping hundreds of nonprofits maximize their impact. We have also partnered with the Anthropic Beneficial Deployment Team to support nonprofits with their adoption of Claude. We hold a 5-star rating in the Salesforce App Exchange and maintain one of the highest client retention rates in the Salesforce ecosystem. We're also one of the first B Corps and early contributors to Salesforce NPSP, and we're proud to put people, planet, and profit on equal footing. Our experience spans large humanitarian organizations to small community-based nonprofits, all focused on meaningful change. And next, I'll hand it over to Lindsay to talk about why organizations may choose managed services.
Thanks, Erica. I'd like to start with why managed services matters in the first place. In my experience, when people hear managed services, the old think version of that is usually a ticket queue, right? Reactive support, break fix, something breaks, you submit a ticket, someone fixes it. But that's not how we approach managed services at Idealist Consulting. We're committed to meeting you where you are and traveling with you on your journey. Thinking not just about where you need to be right now, but where you want to be down the road. So your system keeps supporting your team, your vision, and the greatest possible benefit for your organization. So what brings people to managed services, or how do you find yourself thinking about it? Let's look at some of the things that we hear. So here we have some of the top reasons that we do hear from organizations we work with who are considering managed services. And feel free to drop into the chat any of these that sound familiar to you. So managed services may come to mind for you because there's a new tool, there's new technology like Agentforce, AI, and you're not really sure if you're ready for it or how you might get there and use it well. Sometimes maybe there's some staff turnover or your team is stretched. You might need a gut check on your system, maybe just another set of eyes to tell you honestly whether things are running as efficiently as they could run. Maybe are you getting as much value as you possibly can out of your system? Sometimes it might be simpler than that. It might be an implementation partner. They finished up and they've moved on. And now you have your system and you're wondering, what's next? How do I continue to grow? Who's going to pick up the pieces and make sure I get where I need to get? Managed services exists for exactly these moments. But your situation, it might be completely different than anything that I've mentioned already. And we're here to listen to your unique circumstances. And what we want to do is help build a roadmap together. So managed services means you're not alone on the technology journey. You don't have to have all the answers internally, and you don't have to start from zero every time something new comes up. And because we will already know your system, where it's strong, where it's stretched, where you want to take it, we can help get you there faster than a brand new partner could. That institutional knowledge is what lets us move from just answering questions to actually helping you get where you're going. So once you're in a managed services engagement, what's actually valuable about that model? And I'd like to explore that for just a minute. At Idealist Consulting, our managed service model is built on one, expertise when you need it. So access to developers, AI specialists, data experts, architects, without the cost or complexity of hiring a full team in-house. Two, predictable costs. Instead of surprise invoices for one off projects or emergency fixes, you get one consistent, budgetable engagement. Three, proactive, not reactive. Your system actually gets better over time, not just staying afloat. And finally, you have a team that already knows you. So when it's time for a bigger project, you're not starting over, explaining your system once again from scratch. Your team is already here. But we're more than a resource, we're a bench of experts. And a big part of managed services advantage is the team. With managed services, you'll have a dedicated consultant. You may have two, you may have three, but they'll be leading your engagement. They'll be the ones who really get to know you and know your system and know your goals, your organization. And behind them is our full bench of specialists, and they're ready to step in whenever the work calls for it. So if it is something specific, AI, data issues, integrations, whatever it is, we've got you covered. But what really sets our team apart, our managed services team apart, is not just our technical depth. Our consultants understand nonprofit structure and operations. We're not just Salesforce and AI. So who's actually on your team? We've got Salesforce admins, solution architects, AI and Agentforce specialists, developers, marketing automation specialists, data migration and analytics specialists, business analysts, project managers, and of course, client success managers to see you all the way through your journey with us. All of these are available as your needs evolve. So also, our managed services model is more than just support. It's a partnership. This is our goal. We've had clients who've worked with the same consultant for years and love that relationship. We've also had the experience where that consultant says, I don't have the answer for you, but I do know who does. And that consultant can find the correct person and find them fast so that we can continue moving to your vision. That's the model. Long-term relationships that understand your nuance and communication style, backed by a team with context, so nobody ever starts cold. The partnership shows up in a few concrete ways. So we like to really get in and think about system and integration optimization, expanding your team capacity, helping with strategic direction for your technology, and AI and Agentforce readiness. And it's not just about being there for the right now, for when something breaks. It's about planning, building a roadmap together and moving toward your future state with real structure. Instead of reacting project to project, we're a partner in all things, not just the emergency line. So this next slide is based directly on conversations with our clients and project teams. These are the values we hear most when we talk to people about what managed services means to them. Always at the top of the list is thought partnership, where we're meeting you where you are at and helping guiding toward your goals. Right below that always comes in the right expertise at the right time. We've got that full bench of experts and we're ready to help. Continuity is equally important. We build the real relationships with the people who are going to carry that institutional knowledge of your system forward and be able to build from that and expand and grow. We provide a flexible model, more hours, more support, different people when you need them most. And then, of course, support through the high stakes moments. When you need to put out a fire, you've got a knowledgeable partner right beside you. So that's really the heart of managed services. And with that, I'd like to hand it back to Erica to walk through how this shows up specifically with Salesforce.
Thanks, Lindsay. Next, we'll walk through how managed services look like in practice. So we can move on to the next slide. Thanks. We know that Salesforce is changing fast, and Agentforce for Nonprofits is a significant change from NPSP. And we also know that Salesforce is heavily investing in Agentforce for Nonprofits. Agentforce's AI capabilities are evolving faster than any standard release cycle we've seen, and most nonprofits don't have the internal bandwidth to keep up with all of these changes. Just know that you don't have to do it alone, and you could really lean on a partner like Idealist for support. We're ready to support you no matter where you are on your journey. If you're still on NPSP, that's great. We can help you get the most out of it, and we can also help build out a clear roadmap of what migration could potentially look like in the future on your timeline as well. If you're already on Agentforce Nonprofit, we can help you unlock everything it has to offer, support your team rollouts, support ongoing system performance, as well as keep optimizing as new capabilities roll out for the tool. The organizations that are getting the most out of Salesforce aren't the ones who are just implementing it well, they're the ones who are actively evolving it. This is true no matter where you are with your adoption. Your system may need to evolve because organization processes change, or you may decide to change your technology to meet your business process needs. And managed services is the best way to continue to evolve. Next, I want to talk a little bit about managed services partnerships in action here at Idealist. So the first organization is Adelante Mujeres. They are actually based here in Oregon. They provide holistic education and empowerment opportunities to low-income Latina women and their families, ensuring their full participation and active leadership in their community. So a little bit about the work that we've done together. Through managed services, we've provided ongoing form assembly troubleshooting and updates. We've maintained custom dashboards to track program data, and we've offered on-call support from everything to document maintenance as well as staff training. The second organization is Center for Resource Solutions. They're a national nonprofit with global impact that creates policy and market solutions to advance sustainable energy, working towards a world where clean energy powers resilient communities. A little bit more about the work that we've done together through managed services. We've built an email drip campaign using custom metadata, formula fields, and flows, and designed a new renewal process for their Green E certification program using form assembly and Stripe to make renewals easier. And then finally, but not least, St. Michael's Abbey, whose mission centers liturgical prayer, education, and priestly ministry. We have supported St. Michael's Abbey heavily with their use of Marketing Cloud account engagement. So through managed services, we've launched an expanded and integrated recurring giving program. We've also built out automations, scoring models, and email campaigns. We've also helped separate their data pipeline so information is stored in the right place. So all of these organizations have very different missions, do very different work, but they were all able to leverage managed services to get them where they need to go. So what do you get from managed services beyond just the work that's being performed? There's a couple of benefits here. The first one is that every engagement receives a dedicated non-billable client success manager. So someone like myself who will be working with you long-term throughout your Salesforce journey here at Idealist. The second benefit is a deep bench of expertise. We have a team of consultants who understand both the Salesforce platform and what it's like to work at a nonprofit. They've specifically chosen to work at Idealist because they truly care about the organizations that we support. And then finally, we also have add-ons that you can leverage. Our team has developed baked packages like data quality assessments, annual org check-ins, and in-depth training that are all available to you through managed services. And then I think one of the biggest benefits at Idealist is Story Navigator. This is our proprietary project management tool, and it's not just useful for our single projects, it's also used throughout managed services, and it helps create that ongoing collaboration and keeps things organized and transparent. It gives your team real-time visibility into build status. It's easy to use and it keeps everyone working inside of Salesforce, which is also a big benefit for deeper adoption for teams. So next we'll take a quick look at what this looks like in action, and I know it'll take a couple seconds to bring up the demo.
Story Navigator is our proprietary.
It looks like it paused, Ivy.
This is the app homepage. These charts give you a live view of your project, sprints, user stories, test scripts, and submitted issues. At any point, you can open Story Navigator and see exactly where things stand. When we work together, the work we do is organized into sprints, 3 to 4 week windows of work. The sprint holds user stories, which are individual workflows that map to your requirements. Here you can see who each user story is assigned to, its status, priority, and story points. User stories track acceptance criteria, notes about decisions made, feedback, and questions our teams have along the way. This context lives with the user story, so long after go live, you can trace why something was built and who decided it. Once a user story is built, the Idealist consulting team writes a test script, a numbered checklist with steps and screenshots your testers walk through to validate that each user story works as needed. These test scripts live directly in Story Navigator and are helpful for training down the road. Story Navigator holds your implementation project memory, but it can also hold the memory of system updates, long-term wants and needs, as well as help you understand the larger context of how your system has evolved over time. 80% of our clients continue to use Story Navigator after their project ends to manage ongoing Salesforce work, and it's free when you work with us.
All right. Awesome. And next, we will jump into a story from one of our partners, 122 Resource Center.
Hi, my name's Carrie Stanley. I met you earlier. I've been working with Idealist now for almost a decade. We are a community-based organization located in Teton County, Wyoming, which is the gateway community to Grand Teton National Park, Yellowstone National Park, and hosts 3 ski areas. As like many resort communities, we struggle with economic inequality, hence a community with great wealth, but also great poverty. Our organization supports individuals that live and work in Teton County through food assistance, financial assistance, youth enrichment scholarships, and financial empowerment. 122 is the result of a merger of 4 longstanding grassroots organizations in Teton County. Our organizations, I'm sorry, it seems like somebody might be having a little trouble hearing. Is that a little bit better? Perfect. Our organizations, these 4 organizations all had very different ways of tracking data when we merged. Many were on databases, but were very poorly designed for their client and donor data. One was actually on Excel spreadsheets. So it necessitated for our efficiency and just data tracking purposes a Salesforce implementation. And with many conversations with various organizations and consulting firms, we landed with Idealist based on their longstanding work with nonprofits rather than just Salesforce in general. And we've been working with them in a managed service contract that has ebbed and flowed in various forms over the years. As our organization has evolved from those 4 grassroots organizations to now being an organization that's 4.5 times the budget that we initially had. And our staff has grown, and now we're one of our probably largest nonprofit organizations in Teton County today. The managed service relationship with Idealist has had various impacts on us, and I'm not sure we could have gotten to where we are today without that partnership. Lindsay went through a few pieces of this impact on organizations, and I agree with these 5 points. The first one being a thought partnership. I look at our engineer and our consultant, Kristen, as probably my strongest operational partner in just thought processes, workflow design. I bring her a question and say, how would you solve this? And Kristen can offer a variety of solutions. And she knows our organization so well, both our strengths and our weaknesses and our areas where we might be falling short, that she can offer solutions that might work today, but also might work into the future. It's true that we have the right expertise at the right time. I think I've probably worked with 10 plus people at Idealist over the years that are brought in at various points of time. Most recently, I had a question about digital documentation, destruction, and retention, and Kristen tapped into someone else at Idealist to answer those questions for me. Similarly, we had a system we wanted to build at our food pantry to be able to put food on the scale and have that speak directly to Salesforce. Idealist had somebody on board who could build that code. So there's always someone that you can lean into at Idealist to be able to resolve a situation or add on to a situation that you're wanting to build. We've been very fortunate, and I'm not sure this is always the case, but we've been very fortunate to have the same project manager and engineer working with us since 2018. She's even come on site during our implementation of Salesforce to help with the buy-in process and user testing, which I think helped our staff during that transition really lean into Salesforce. So we've had this consistency with Kristen and this trust level that has been phenomenal. But we've also, again, had all these other experts that have come and gone at times, and also very much appreciate Erica and the ability to have a checkpoint during various points of our work together to say, is it working for you? How are things going? Is there anything I need to know to make this process better or bring in extra people? Flexibility is probably the biggest highlight, I would say, with our relationship and our managed services with Idealist. We have probably gone from 8 hours a month to 45 or more hours per month based on the needs we have at that time. We have recently had one of our Salesforce admins and our staff leave the organization. I could hire, I could lean into increased guide and managed services, and it seemed a lot more logical to go with the latter because of that depth and that flexibility. When we hire someone, there's an onboarding process, there's an indeterminate time that that individual might be retained by your organization, whereas I know that I'm going to always have Idealist there, so it seems so much more easy and, in fact, more cost-effective in that manner, too. And then, as I described our organization's evolution from one space to 4.5 times that in terms of our budget, we've been turned to during very instrumental times like the pandemic. We distributed more than $1.5 million to our community during that time. There's no way we would have been able to do that without quickly being able to lean to our Idealist team to say, we need to make this happen differently. We need to build our architecture differently. Similarly, we are counted on by our county for emergencies in our community. Most recently, a pass closure between 2 states, which is kind of the lifeline to our workforce and our bedroom communities and individuals that commute here, which turned a 45-minute to 1 hour commute into a 3-hour commute each way. We were able to help those families directly, very quickly and nimbly, with the help of our team at Idealist. And then, as I mentioned, staff turnover. Without having kind of this relationship, I'm not sure what I would have done with a system admin resigning with us. So I don't know if we'd be where we are today, to be totally honest, without our ability to have a nimble, flexible, and long-term relationship with Idealist. I guess that responds to my question about, do you hire or do you lean into your managed contract? Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Carrie. Thank you for sharing your story about our partnership with 122 Resource Center. I also wanted to take a moment to celebrate the big birthday that 122 is celebrating this year. So 25 years of serving your community. We're really thankful for your partnership.
Thanks.
Great. So now we're going to change direction a little bit and talk about AI within managed services. We've actually seen that the managed services model is well aligned to how AI implementations work best. So to set the stage, this is a good way to think about how AI benefits an organization and how that benefit grows as adoption matures. So in this first bucket, we see smarter employees, and this is the first entry point for most organizations. This looks like individuals using AI tools to write faster, research better, communicate more effectively. This is where most nonprofits currently live right now. The second benefit is faster processes, and this is where the efficiency gains really start to compound. This looks like those repetitive workflows being automated. An example of this could look like maybe a fundraiser who has to spend time manually pulling together partner research for a meeting. All of that time can be taken back because they can potentially leverage an agent to be able to do that research for them. And then the final piece is transformative solutions. This is really where an organization will see the highest value from AI. AI becomes an organizational infrastructure rather than just a productivity add-on for their staff. This looks like multi-source data pipelines, agents working across departments, solving those human bottleneck problems that tend to hold missions back. Something to take away here is that the highest value work lives in that second and third bucket, but most nonprofits aren't there yet. They tend to stop at this first stage with chatbots. Most pilots stall for the same handful of reasons. We usually see that it's messy data, limited organization buy-in, maybe there's lack of leadership alignment, or they're just trying to do too much at once. So the path to stage 2 that eventually will lead us to stage 3 is pretty consistent. So we see that folks will pick one use case and do it really well, and then they'll get leadership aligned, assign clear ownership, and then continue to clean their data and iterate from there. We actually have an AI adoption playbook, which we'll share out as a resource later on, that walks you through some of the steps to take internally to be able to support AI adoption. It's important to remember that it's not a set it and forget it situation with AI. It's really about continuous learning and adjustment. And we believe that ongoing partnership through managed services is what actually gets organizations past that first stage where AI adoption tends to stall. So why is the managed services model a good fit for AI adoption? It's not just a retainer for break it and fix it support, like Lindsay had mentioned early on. It's really meant to be an active, ongoing partnership where we build and iterate together. So through managed services, we can iterate with you continuously, whether that's new agents or fine-tune your prompts, more data and context sources to include, or onboarding your teams as your AI use grows. So it's really about starting small and building from there together. So how are we able to do all of this within managed services? And the answer to that is the Idealist way. It's our proven service delivery model, and we've built it through almost 2 decades of experience implementing technology with nonprofits. And we've now evolved it to support how AI implementations work as well. So we start with the foundation. So first, we ensure that your team has an AI usage policy, and then we support platform selection and perform training to reach the stage 1, which is the smarter employees. Alternatively, maybe you already have a tool that your team is using. We still want to take a moment to assess where you're at and make sure that you're on the right track to move forward. After that, we move into discovery, which is what starts to pave the way towards those faster processes and transformative solutions. We identify a use case, define desired outcomes, and then create a map to guide us to get there. Then we step into the build stage, which is an iterative stage we call the innovation cycle. I'll dig a little bit deeper in the next slide. It'll give us more detail into that innovation cycle. But really, this is where we start the building together, testing and iterating on that initial pilot use case. And then once that pilot is working really well, we'll move into the final stage, which is manage. And manage is really where we just move into support and updating your use case processes, maybe new contexts we learned that will need to be added, or just overall as AI functionality continues to evolve, that's where we'll work on that together. So moving into the innovation cycle, really zooming into the build stage that we previously talked about. This is what includes that specific discovery and really learning about the processes where AI can be embedded within your organization. So when we have a better understanding of the goals, we are able to start mapping together, which focuses on context, your data sources, and output templates as well. So we'll start pulling together your AI strategy playbook documentation. And this playbook will be your guide moving forward to show what we've done, the strategy behind it, and track the updates. So once we have a solid plan, we design and configure an agent or an AI-powered workflow to align with your business processes. And then the next step, and one of the most important steps, is testing. So together we'll test and refine as needed. And then we're able to do multiple cycles of this until we're able to get to a good place, and then continue to manage through the manage stage. So we've found that this model of working together within managed services works really well for both managed services and implementations. And again, we've learned this from years of experience, and we found that it's the best model for ongoing adoption and iteration. So similar to managed services and Salesforce, what do you get with managed services for AI? So you also get a client success manager. This is a non-billable resource that will continue to work with you throughout your AI adoption journey. And then you also have access to a bench of AI experts. So these are consultants who know how to roll out AI, how it fits specific to nonprofit use cases, and have the technical expertise to actually build out what you need. And then finally, your AI playbook. So we build this out with you to track your AI builds and ongoing changes. We help maintain it, but it's also yours from the beginning through the end as well. So think of it as your adoption roadmap, very similar to Story Navigator for our Salesforce work. All right, and we've reached our end here. So whether you are already a client of ours or just starting to explore managed services, we're here and ready to help. And we want to share some assets as well that can be helpful for your journey. We have some resources specific to Salesforce support as well as AI adoption. And then we can move into our Q&A. So before we jump into our questions, some of our frequently asked questions about managed services is the cost. What is the cost to get started? And generally our cost for new partnerships is about $20,000 starting. Our engagement length typically lasts around 12 months. And then in terms of commitment from our clients, we still ask that we have a primary person on the client side that's able to connect and provide direction, provide feedback with our consultants as well. So we've seen that the best rhythm of work together is usually connecting at least every other week with your consultant to make sure that you've got a rhythm of work moving forward and you're continuing to meet your goals.
Erica, I see a few questions in the Q&A section that look like they're kind of queued up for me. Is it okay for me to jump in?
Yeah, go for it.
Fantastic. Oh, I realized my video is off. So the first one I see is, can you tell me more about what makes managed services a flexible model? Pardon me. Absolutely. Absolutely. So Clearly, I mean, the first is the volume of work that we can work on for you. So we talk about that in terms of hours. So you can have, a retainer of hours that is monthly or targeted toward the flow of work for your organization. That volume can expand as needed when you have additional requirements, or it's just something that has popped up that you need help on. So that's our biggest, kind of most common thing that we flex. We talked quite a bit about flexing skills. So if we need to bring on different resources, folks with different expertise, something very specific for what you need at the time, we have that flexibility. In addition, the kind of where that this idea of meeting you where you're at or on your journey, perhaps in your system right now, the focus is stabilization. Maybe we need to look at just the performance, adoption, making sure you're getting what you should, the value out of your system. Or you may be a little bit in a different space where you're looking to grow, to enhance, to adopt some additional features in your system. And then finally, you might be ready to innovate. You're ready to just jump into something new and kind of explore what that expansion could mean for your organization. And we can be here for any of those things. So those are some of the areas that we are definitely flexible with.
Lindsay, I might add as well from our experience,
Sure.
we've had managed service contracts that are an 8 hour a month contract or something that's 40 hours a month over the years. And but you always have the ability to lean in more if something's needed, but still within the budget that you've set for your nonprofit. So, for example, if I have an 8 hour a month contract, Kristen, our project manager, will reach out and say, "Ooh, we're hitting 7 hours. Do you want me to take on this project that you just brought up, or do you want me to push that into next month?" And sometimes I would say, "Wow, there's an urgency to this. Go over. That sounds great." And other months we might say, "You know what, let's just push that into next month. There's only 3 more days in this month." So that flexibility, also knowing that we're all working within constraints of budgets approved by our board, and how to make sure we're balancing that as well.
Thank you, Carrie. That's lovely.
I can take this next question here. I see a question that says, how is your work for client success managers different when working with a client that's moving through a project versus managed services? So client success managers are provided both for projects as well as managed services. So for projects, we have a specific scope, a specific set of hours, a budget that's being worked on. And so I will connect with the client at least once a month to make sure that things are on track. But we also have close communication with the project team as well. So I'm here to make sure that we're communicating any project risks early, making sure that we're working through any roadblocks, and also a place to bring up escalations as well. That's also true for managed services, but as Carrie mentioned, right, there's a lot of flexibility here. It's really an open stream of works or what's needed. So we'll still be connecting, and you can bring different, initiatives to your client success manager that we can help with. But there's a lot more flexibility on the client success check-in side as well, but also meant here to be a resource and make those adjustments to your services as needed.
Also adding in that we're in that exact relationship right now with our managed services, as well as having a build out for Experience Cloud. So Erica checks in on both, which is actually really efficient.
Yeah, I think that gets to our next question. Oops, sorry.
It does. I was going to say it leads right into the next question. Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Do clients ever have managed services and a project going at the same time? And what are the benefits of this? Yep, absolutely. 122 has that right now, right? We've increased their managed services hours to cover for the loss of that Salesforce admin, but they were also working on an Experience Cloud build out. So we check in and talk about how the project is going, but also how are your managed services going? Is it feasible to meet your monthly minimum? Is it working? We just went through a renewal cycle and actually adjusted hours. So that's all important pieces of our relationship and keeping in contact about that. But we also have, through managed services, maybe projects will emerge out of that, right? We want to make sure that they're staffed correctly, and maybe there's a different funds that need to go to a certain project. And so maybe that will lead to a different contract as well. So that's something that your client success manager can help with. Any other questions? Okay, I think that's everything. Thanks everyone so much for joining us, and for everyone who joined, we'll be sending out this slide deck and the recording so that you have access to the resources as well.